So for Christmas 2021, Chloe was on a mission to spread the joy of zines to as many people as she could. So she gifted everyone in her family zines, and I got a bunch of zines from her for Christmas, which I really love, and it was really hard to pick one to review, so I'm sure that there'll be many more of these over the coming months of ones that she bought for me. But my favourite one, so I'm starting off with it today, was the plant zine, which is so cute. I love all the illustrations in it. It's called Depressed Girl Seeks Houseplant, a guide to low maintenance houseplants by Saunders. And Saunders, I absolutely love this zine. It is adorable and really useful because I'll insert some clips as we go, but I've just started on my plant journey. I want to be a plant lady. It's not going that well, as you will see. Some of my plants are surviving and thriving. Some of them are just surviving, and there's one very dead one. But I don't think that I pick the simplest plants. I think that I pick really difficult plants, but they look cool, you know? So maybe this zine will come in handy and like teach me about like choosing sensible plants to take care of when you are new to the plant thing. Thought that I should show you my dead plant in the interest of internet honesty and being honest on social media. But it's very sad and embarrassing, and honestly, if anyone has any tips and thinks that I might be able to actually save that plant somehow, please let me know. And then you think everything is going really well, but there is the one person who always lets the side down, and we just don't really talk about that. Honestly, this is just so depressing. My friend got me this plant as a housewarming gift, and it just, something happened and I really don't know what happened, and it just makes me very sad. But there is hope because this guy has popped through, so maybe we've not completely destroyed it. Maybe we can save it. We'll see. Maybe the zine will help. I really like this zine because straight away in the introduction it says, yes, you can find all this information online, but often it's so confusing and there's so much information that it's overwhelming. And if you just want like a low maintenance houseplants for your low maintenance lifestyle, this is like the zine. It's like a really good go-to resource. I really like this page that says what houseplant is right for me, and it's like those quizzes that you used to get in magazines, you know, with the arrows that you follow around, like this, and I think it's really cool. Glad that I got matched with a spider plant, but it's really hard for me to find spider plants for some reason, and also I really want a monstera, but I feel like I'm really gonna kill that if I get that. Even though it's easy plant care, like there's different levels of easy, and I don't quite know if I'm at the like monstera level or like a terrarium level. I've killed cactuses before, like I don't know, I'm not very good, but I'm learning. I've listed a bunch of houseplants in here. There's one that says it's the ultimate in low maintenance houseplants, and they've done beautiful illustrations of all different kinds of plants, and then they have a double Z care sheet, so it's like little diagrams of like sun, water. I think this is like how much water you should do. There's a ruler, maybe it's the amount of soil. I need to look at that. And then it also tells you which plants are poisonous for animals like cats that you might have in the house, and which type of compost to use. So it's really cool. It's like, I love that it's broken down so much like this, and it's just a really simple, cute zine. How cute are these illustrations? It's got like a spider plant and then like all the care instructions, and it says that it's not toxic for cats. It says that it's good for shade and some direct sun. This spider plant honestly seems like the most easygoing plant, and I really need to find one. So if anyone knows where I can just find a regular spider plant that's not like in a super fancy garden centre for like a bajillion pounds, please let me know. Between the illustrations and the care instructions of various easy to care for plants, Laura has put like a little, there's like longer pieces of text about like how she got into houseplants, and it's just really cute. I really like the way that this zine has been put together. I'm really related to this zine. I thought it was really cute and it had really useful information in it, but it was really nice that it was made by someone who like really loves plants but recognizes that it's hard to take care of them, especially with busy lifestyles, and especially someone with a chronic illness, who I have to maintain myself and also the house, and then adding plants into the mix was kind of interesting. So in the very back of this, I found it really adorable that she'd written ways to maintain your rad, queer, feminist, disabled, activist lifestyle while loving houseplants. And then there's a little cartoon, and I thought it was so sweet. And I think that it's just a really cool community of people who's like all the queer, chronic ill, disabled people who love houseplants. It's like really niche, but also it seems to be a really massive community, and I'm really looking forward to like reaching out to Laura on social media. She's left her information here, and finding plant friends. And yes, thank you so much for making this zine, for the useful tips, and also for the cool community that you've created through zine making and all the queer plant people.